Hello, welcome once again. Welcome to this channel. This time we are going to use our local gourd or callabash. Now for the first one, we are going to put cement, a mixture of cement inside one of the gourds. This one I'm making it so that you can see the difference between having one which has cement inside and the ones which don't have. The one which has cement is strong and heavier. So now after pouring cement, you can use a stick or a candle and you put it inside there with a paper bag so that it makes space for the flowers or anything you want to put in there. Now when dry, that is how it looks. It is heavier, and if you put anything, it's easily stable, it can't fall. That is the one you want to use as a flower vase. So others you can just leave them if you don't want to put, and then you just put anything else, maybe just put it there like on a floating shelf. Now for the first gourd, we are going to spray paint it up with metallic color or silver if you want to call it. And then the second gourd we are going to spray paint it with gold, the whole of it this time. The first one we did spray on the upper part, and if you want to separate it so that the spray doesn't go everywhere on the gourd, you put tape on the part that you don't want the color to go on. Now for the third one, we are going to spray metallic down, over, down. When this one dried, I had to cover also the lower part and then with the blue cloth. And then I also sprayed the upper part of this third gourd with gold. So it has silver down and gold up. It has both colors. When the silver part dried, I had to spray the upper one with gold. Now here, you get a rail of beaded gems, like the ones some people use on cakes. But this one I used on this gourd or calabash, and then you measure and put it in the middle there. Using a glue gun, you stick it there in the middle. Now we add another line down at the bottom. Using a glue gun, we attach it there. Now when we finish, we are going to put the small red gems on the sides. We are going to attach them there with hot glue. 6 on one side, 6 on the other, 4 and 4 on this side. And then after that, this is what we get. Now for the second gourd or calabash, we are going to put the one that we sprayed on the top with metallic. We are going to put dewdrop down. We're going to stick around the whole lower part with dewdrop until we cover the whole of it. We use a glue gun to put glue, and then we cover the whole lower part with dewdrop. Now you need to make sure this rope doesn't leave space in the middle of each rope, so you have to make sure you hold it tight and pull the rope close to each other, and that it becomes neat. now it's time to put the beads. We're going to use pearl beads. We're going to put them in the middle, just 2 lines of pearl beads. Now we cut off the leftover beads after making the 2 lines. We also remove those protruding things on the rope so that the rope is neat. Now let's try in the flower. You see, this is beautiful. That's what we get after doing that. Now that's our second word. Now this is the one that I told you about, the one which was silver down. I covered it with a blue cloth, then I sprayed the top with gold. That's why it has gold on the top and then the silver down. So now we are going to just put beads around it. Now you can already see how it's turning out to be a very beautiful flower vase or pen holder or anything you want to use it for. Now if you want to use it for like a flower vase, it's better you first put cement in it so that it's hard and it's heavier. Now when you put a flower, it doesn't fall. Or you can just leave it like that and put it on a floating shelf. Put it anywhere you want to. That's it, we are done with our 3 gourds, 3 calabashes. You can choose whatever you want to use them for. Thank you for watching, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe so that you help us do more work. Thank you so much.